Oh, that's insane. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hello guys! Шинэ vlog маань ихэд бэлэн боллоо. Найзуудтайгаа урьж оролцуулсан байгаа. Бразил, Denise, Украин, Яночка. Манай Бойкаг бол мэдчихэж байгаа хаа. Mongolia. Ами.
Mongolia.
Now we're speaking English. We're gonna do the blindfold.
Can Ukrainian?
Oh yeah.
Can Brazil?
So we're gonna do the blindfolded makeup challenge. So let's see who gonna do the makeup, who gonna do the sit and relax. Okay. Close your eyes. In be ever
I can change
mga
it.
blindfolded kayo.
I'm gonna pretend I open it. Like
No, we're gonna open together.
Oh yeah, everybody.
Yeah.
Is it recording or is it?
It's recording. It's recording.
No choice.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna sit. Oh my god. So, 2 Mongolian sit now.
Oh my god.
За, бид хоёр бол төмөс царайлаад бодуулах юм байна. Ёй. Okay, let's start. We get ready and come back. За, манай хоёр нүүр будагч маань хэнийг хинийтэйгээ бодгож үзгээр сонголтоо хийх гэж байна. Okay. За, плюс ах юм бол намайг будна.
This one.
Минус ах юм бол Бакумаг будна.
Cute.
Oh Jesus. But you have this, remember?
Oh my god. It's going to be awesome.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Yana very good with makeup. You crazy? You crazy? With the closed eyes? No way.
Давай, let's try.
I want to put even eyeliner. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my god. I thought it would be awesome, but now I
Hi.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready for sure.
Okay. What is it?
Yeah. Okay, remove this better. So let's do like this. Ой, капец. Ой, капец. Oh, beautiful. Гарыг нь уйт.
Already beautiful, I think. Finish. Done. Where's your hand? Close your hand. Okay, I cannot see how it looks. So I think it's perfect in my mind.
Perfect.
It's perfect. Actually, this is super cool. I feel like I cannot see it. Guys. Where are you? Where's your face? I will mix all the colors because okay, it's going to be beautiful. I hope it is.
Everything is beautiful. Молодец.
It's beautiful, guys.
Yes.
Perfect.
Okay. Okay.
This is glitters.
Yeah. But did it stay or not?
Yes, we can see.
Yeah.
Not so much, but we can.
Thanks God I cannot see myself.
It looks awesome. You know?
Yes. I wanna change this dramatic song.
Oh yeah.
No, this is impossible.
It's possible.
If your makeup is awesome, I hate everybody.
Yeah, this is beautiful color.
This. Okay, where is it? Okay. I'm not good even with eyes closed. Can you imagine? Woo!
Wow.
That's
Wait,
good.
You can see something like for sure.
About a thing. Just a little thing. Gonna be alright. It's gonna be alright. If I make a blind, you tell me.
Still I can see light, don't worry. Can you imagine if I go like this to bingo?
Oh, we should at least walk in the corridor.
Let's go eat it like this.
Why? You look beautiful.
I know.
This is your color.
Look like she can see it. Really. That's good, huh? Very good.
You like?
Really good. Look like in magazine model.
Oh my Jesus. This is what you call it, guys.
I want to red, something like this.
Why? Not right.
Almost did. Almost.
Okay, I try to not laugh.
You put together your lips, maybe, yeah? Uh-huh. Yeah, now it's better.
Oh Jesus. I like this a bit.
So now what do you want to do?
Eyeliner.
This side.
Where is it?
Yeah, there.
Don't make her blind.
I just do a cat, okay? Because
Cat eye?
Close your eyes, please. That? This is what.
some light in your nose.
Highlight.
Yeah, okay.
No, Hagu, I think you have to go like this.
Okay.
Okay. Oi! Guys, take a picture, take a picture like this.
Wait.
Look like that.
And you can open 1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
What happened? Eyeliner here? I like the eyeshadow is okay. Like and they shine, but I'm gonna dance. Oh Jesus! But this is bad. And I was sure I did hear right. I said I did wrong this one, but this I did correct.
But this one is almost there.
And the lipstick, Jesus.
Beautiful.
But you come, you take this one, and then you put all over the face like this. Boom, 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 boom.
Beautiful.
So, you like your makeup?
This color is nice.
The color nice.
Nice.
The glitters everywhere.
Guys, if you want my contact for more makeups.
I can start?
Yes, here we go. monster. Sorry.
Wow.
О, уже професионал.
I don't want to even look, see what she's touching.
I don't know. I cannot because I think it's foundation but no calm. I think I don't feel on my finger. Yeah?
Nothing.
Oh, yes. Love her.
Нет, everywhere, понимаешь? Так, very good. Now,
Yeah, she's professional. She prepare everything and
Mine
for us
is
like
throw
throw.
the brushes you find.
Oh,
Wow. Thanks God don't have prize because I would lose.
fucking shit. I feel so bad.
I better close my eyes.
Of course. You don't close.
Yeah.
I was open.
Oh Jesus, you crazy. Так,
Wow. She's like recorded. Don't ask me open my eyes.
no.
Oh, shit.
But Denise was very good with eyeshadow, right?
Yeah.
Not really.
Ik zijn professional in.
Yeah, professional. Да, конечно, of course. I think not enough, need more.
Oh,
Yeah, now
Thanks,
it's
but
now
you
it's
choose
better.
red, not blue.
гарны ороод ирэхэд.
I think it's beautiful. You close your eyes? Да?
I told you this is horrible.
I will do just in the end.
Yeah, it's in the end. So,
I think you put very
Your makeup also is in the end.
it's true.
Can you turn like this? Да?
Oh,
I feel more comfortable. But I think my fingers.
Wait, I give you.
you put eyeliner or eyebrow?
Yeah, it's there.
don't enjoy too much, Janechka.
I need learn this.
No, still we have 2 more challenge, guys.
These two,
No.
Let's see now. I think she's cheating in the game.
You close, yes.
Because she have experience. We started first. I think that's why.
Yeah.
No, because I prepare myself how I gonna do.
Ah, she stayed at home.
Oh, yeah. For sure.
oh no, no.
Don't laugh. Your lips going to be beautiful. I think beautiful. But I have to close. This?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, even clothes for fashion. There you go.
I think, yes.
Highlight.
I put, no?
Highlight.
Oh, not.
Hey, I like it. My nose sweating. Oh, Jesus, your nose is... I think already beautiful.
Okay.
Okay. Give them mirror.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
What? Смотри!
Professional.
What was weird? I think much more bad. Like shit. Так, already. Is it look beautiful?
Uh-huh.
Actually.
You do the line, everything very good.
I do like, I try like.
Very good.
Very smart, ah?
Yeah.
Давай.
Okay. Can?
See, Bakuma is more like me. She didn't prepare anything.
Yes.
Yeah, like this more fun.
Bro.
Like this.
Wow.
Oh my god. Feels good. That I like you know the imagining that making perfect makeup.
Yeah, but I also imagine I was doing
No, I imagine I do math because I see how you do, so I'm thinking I do more math.
Oh yeah.
But
And
when
then,
I open
then
my
I
eyes,
make
it's
joke
nice.
with you. You paint my eyebrow. But I know that you do very good. That's my feeling. Okay, I think it's
After this, let's go smoke. Everybody like this.
yeah. Alright, now
Young money. Oh. But you know, guys, the first one is the always best.
yeah. Can you do
Yeah, because if I saw the technique of Jan, I would use.
Oh. Яхаарахгүй сүүлийн хүмүүс нь туршлагатай байгаад юм л да. Shimmy shimmy yeah, shimmy yeah, shimmy yeah.
Dennis take this one and
I know what
I knew it.
Start laugh. Perfect. This one. This one. Alright, now other one. I don't know what I think. You win.
I don't know.
What is the I wanna put blue.
Fa la la la. Young money. Oh, beautiful. Вообще.
Good? Very good? It's even better now. Okay. Did I take black or what?
Can you which don't like?
Demonstration. This is how you get rich, baby. Yeah, I'm stimulated. I'm at the bank. I'm penetrating. I'm putting in. I'm penetrating. I'm getting big. I'm stimulated. I touch the bitch. She disintegrated. Up in flames. I've been
Who draw that turtle?
Now I wanna
I should have waited. She a big girl dog when she stimulated. Hit Sin City. It's syndicated.
Oh.
On the strip of Vegas. I got the juice, but I ain't minute later.
Yeah,
Nigga made it just minutes later. Shut the fuck and let me finish, baby. I'll let you finish later. Why the fuck you so opinionated?
Okay,
Yeah,
now
you book smart, but
the
don't get
line-
paid.
liner.
Shooting craps at the
I wanna
wall.
do, you know.
These niggas dating.
Wow.
Fucking these niggas
Okay.
hate. When these bitches love it, man, this shit is funny.
Yeah.
can do it.
All I can do is laugh. They try to count me out. All day I'm doing math. All I can do is add. Multiply, multiply. All day I'm doing math. But we won't divide. You ain't got the flow. You ain't got the heart. You on your mark, but you never will. But they did it, baby. You need a demonstration. This is how you get richer, baby. I'm stimulated.
Sorry.
I'm penetrating. Yeah, I'm penetrating. I'm getting big. I'm stimulated. I touched the bed. She disintegrated. Up in flames. I've been the flames. I've been the hottest. Been the latest.
Highlight this one? Wait, can you clean your hair?
She a big girl, dog. I'm
What do you want?
penetrating.
She won't
Highlight.
Might take her home, gone dinner plated. I don't heat it up, I don't microwave it. She already hot, she sizzle, baby. No
Exactly in the face.
Highlighter kasi piggy tayo dun.
Fuck with me, then I fuck with you. You don't fuck with me, my nigga, fuck you too.
Good, good, good. No, it's okay.
Oh, lipstick! Yeah, lipstick!
Now, 짠짜라짠. 짠짜라짠.
Wait, what? You know this.
Ah, okay.
Where is close na.
Finish? Yes. Something else? No?
I don't know. I think
Okay.
I'm ready.
Already?
Perfect?
Where is the mirror?
Oh my god. Don't
You wait.
you wait.
1, 2, 3. Remove.
No. You girls same.
Yes, sisters now.
But why?
Lipstick
Yeah.
on my braids. You put inside.
Why I putting here?
You do swears like this.
Yeah.
I
You
think I'm
girls
so
look the
sad.
same.
Oh
See,
my
the
God.
same style.
Конечно. Давай. За ямар байсан? How was he?
Amazing. See, my girls all beautiful. You are the best.
I love it.
Huh?
Of course, I'm the best. I know, like always.
Excuse me?
Always.
Excuse me?
Oh yeah.
But Kuma not so.
Because,
Like,
you know,
so.
this girl is
Normal.
not so professional.
That's normal for day, but if you want to go a party.
Yeah.
Here
Oh,
is
yeah.
special 2020.
Like a Lady Gaga one. Yeah, there.
2020.
Yes.
Yeah, you so old. You 99.9. You know, like let's take a picture like friends, you know, like this. But you girls.
You have a friend like this.
Okay, that's the next challenge we take.
Oh.
Because this part Vogue.
За тэгээд та нарт маань энэ challenge байна таалагдсан байх гэж найдаж байна. Ингээд найзуудаараа хийх юм бол сонирхолтой байд юм байна. Тэгээд хэрвээ таалагдсан байх юм бол subscribe дараад тэгээд share хийгээд comment бичээд тэгээд хажуудлын хонхон дээр дарчих юм бол бас дараагийн маань challenge-ууд ч юм уу гоё видеонууд орох бах. Тэгээд дараагийнхаа challenge-аар уулзцаа бид нар дөрүүлээ. Оо дараагийн. Next challenge gonna be soon also and see you soon.
See you. Bye. Thank you. Obrigada. Спасибо.
Баярлаа. Баярлаа гэж байгаа. Just later.